This is the world's largest truck stop, they say. On my way in to see what it's really like. First thing we gotta do is find the bathroom. Oh, this is great. I love it already. I'm like kind of digging it here. World's largest truck stop, I-80 in Iowa. You ought to check it out if you come this way. Look at the Jeep. Remind me of some MASH. Very interesting vehicle. This is a pretty cool place. I really like it. I don't know if it's the world's biggest, but it's big so far. Oh man, this is cool. I like this. I can take this on the road, no problem. It's like a mall. They got restaurants. Orange Julius stand. I ain't seen one of them in a long time. It's like another section over here. Yes, this is the awesome section. Yes, we can personalize. Trucker's loft, showers, laundry, barber, movie theater, restrooms, library, TV lounge, dentist, chiropractor, Road King kiosk. Yeah, they got a laundromat in here too, huh? Could have washed my clothes here. Look at the mace. All the lights you could ever want. They like got a whole truck inside, right? The whole truck inside the building. That's everything you ever want to need. Lights galore. Gift shop. Now this is what I'm looking for. Home cooking. And they got a car inside. Oh, this is a buffet. Please seat yourself. Please seat yourself.